Hi, I'm Mr. Mente. I am the construction teacher here at FHS. I've been teaching for over 10 years. I specialize in engineering, woods, and obviously construction. I enjoy working on my own home, running, biking, boating. I have a wonderful wife who is also a teacher, and I also have a young spaniel, a little bigger than that now, and we enjoy spending time together. Um, our construction program here is construction 1 and 2, and to culminate that path, the construction program is building another house in Franklin this year from start to finish. It allows students to see all these careers and practice what they do in class every day while working directly with contractors to build someone's dream home in the community. All contractors. So my classroom will be our normal classroom, the construction lab, and that bare lot, which we will then turn into a place where a family will make their memories. What's needed for a class? I would like you guys to have safety glasses, tape measure, a pencil, obviously, and of course your mask. You like to avoid having to share those things. If you would also like to bring your own hammer or pry bar or any other tools like that, that is also recommended. I just would like you guys to put your name on each thing. That way, if I find them, I can get them returned to you if it gets left behind. You can contact me via my email or my extension is 7107. And all the assignments will be on Google Classroom.